Welcome back to another update on the Worm Factory 360. Another Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's been 1 year and 25 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. And this top tray, I did add some moisture after last week. It looks like it's gone right on through the bottom. I don't see any worms. Pretty dry. Second tray, we have fed pumpkin most recently, and it looks like it's pretty much gone. Got some seeds. I mean, that looks like it's primarily castings to me. A few worms here and there, some sprouts. Need to add some moisture to that tray as well. And I only saw a few worms in that tray. Now we got moisture here. And a few worms. Yeah, here's all of our moisture. So we got a few worms. Not seeing very many worms though. Not any food. And the bottom tray, it's primarily castings as well. Nice and black. A few worms. Moisture feels good in here. Be good sifting moisture. And pretty dry underneath on the worm ladder. So I'm actually going to switch things up. This has been our second tray where most of the worms are. I'm going to make it the second from the top tray. I put what was the second from the top tray, second from the bottom now. And our very top tray, I'm going to have to get some moisture in. It's just way too dry. So I've got some pumpkin set out. That'll definitely add some moisture. So I've got 4 good sized pieces of pumpkin. They're actually still thawing out. I'm just going to place those in that shredded paper and coffee grounds. Cover it up. It has been cold, so haven't had to worry about gnats lately. And I also want to show this bin today. This is from June, July, and August breeder trays. Oh, I just picked out a pocket of red mites. Anyways, June, July, and August breeder trays. And I did pick out the large worms and just let the cocoons hatch. And I just put all these together a couple days ago. And I'm going to try to bait these out. They're already laying cocoons. There's another one over there. So I'm going to try to bait out what I can. This is pretty much all castings. I don't know how many worms are in here. Couldn't even guess. But we're going to bait them out and we'll see what happens. So I've got a cup. I've got it layered with a little bit of peat moss mixed in with some shredded cardboard, layered with pumpkin, layered several times, I think 4 times. So we're just going to build this castings up around the cup, and we will check on it again next week, see how many worms we have in the cup. As far as the Minimus goes, it's been a couple days since I posted an 8-week update video, and so this has been a couple days later. I see worms crawling. See a few worms on top. So if you have not seen that video, I will post that iCard right here. Make sure you watch it. Basically reset the whole bag. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.